Your Spectrum TV remote control has a variety of features that allow you to control your TV and DVR, as well as navigate the Spectrum Guide. So here's a look at what all these buttons can do. Starting at the top of your remote, there are 3 buttons. Moving left to right, System turns both your TV and Spectrum receiver on or off at the same time. The next button, in the middle, is Setup. It's used for programming your remote. For detailed instructions, check out the Programming Your Remote support video. Press Power at the end of this row to turn on or off any of the home entertainment devices listed in the row just below. Moving from left to right, these are Auxiliary, then DVD, then TV, and last, Cable. Pressing one of these buttons selects and controls that device. Continuing down the remote, there are 2 sets of buttons forming a circle, one inside the other. The outer ring has your main navigation controls. At the top is the Menu button, which is used to access the main menu. Proceeding clockwise, press Info for more information about a program you've selected. The Page buttons, directly across from one another, allow you to scroll through menu screens and the Spectrum Guide. Last lets you recall the last channel viewed. Following that are the letter buttons D, C, B, and A. Depending on your guide, the letter buttons will let you access additional cable features. For example, A will take you to special options where you can turn on closed captioning, DVS, or guide narration. Next is Exit. Use it to leave your current screen. Finally, use Guide to go to the Spectrum Guide. The inner circle has 4 arrow buttons which surround the OK Select button in the center. The arrows allow you to move through the program guide and menu screens, as well as navigate within interactive services such as On Demand. Use OK Select when you're ready to make your selection. The next row has your volume controls on the left and the Mute button directly below. In the center, the Day plus or minus buttons let you skip forward or back 1 day in the program guide. Below the Day buttons is On Demand. Use it to access video on demand services. To the right are the channel buttons that allow you to move up or down your channel lineup. And directly below is Favorites. Use it to access your favorite channels once you've set them up. Moving down to the next row, moving left to right, the backwards-facing arrow lets you replay the previous few seconds of your program if you have DVR service. Next, My DVR lets you access your recorded programs, and Live returns you to live programming from a recorded or on-demand program. Below are your playback keys. You can rewind, play, fast forward, stop, pause, and record when in VCR and DVD mode. These are also used for video on demand when in cable mode. And your DVR box, if you have DVR service. The numbers at the bottom of the remote let you enter a specific channel number without having to browse the guide or cycle through the channels. They can also be used to make numeric entries when called for in on-screen menus. Input, to the left of the 0, allows you to switch video inputs on your TV. Depending on your components connected to it, this may mean switching from your Spectrum receiver to a DVD player or Roku, for example. Aspect, to the right of the 0, allows you to alter the picture size on your TV. This is also known as video aspect ratio, which is typically 4:3 or 16:9. The picture-in-picture buttons are not supported in the Spectrum Guide. Finally, use Video Source to select the video source from your available video components. That's it. It won't take long to become familiar with this handy device. For other helpful support videos, please visit spectrum.net/videos.